Right. Mind your business.
So you still smoking, still steaming, still smelling good, yeah?
Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my way to get something to eat. Get me some jerk chicken, something to eat. Are we close or no? This guy been here like since over a year now. Ooh, smells so good. Oh.
But if you want to scan my card, in the future you can call and place your order. Alright.
Jumbo jerk chicken small.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello.
So you don't know if you have enough chicken, right?
I don't know if I have enough on there. Like everybody done ordered, so
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, they pre-ordered. Number right there.
You can follow me on Instagram too.
Okay, I'm on YouTube or something.
Oh really?
I'm
You
vlogging right now, yeah. So maybe you get some customers from this.
okay? Appreciate you.
No problem.
Tell a pussy we no gun dip tag. Like Chinese wire so the clip tag. Show it up and make you fall from your disc tag. You know one on a discard, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if you never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. Z-Tech full of bam like Islam. And if you with me kike, me know the enemy. Them a pray and me know they not sorry for me. People a ball and a skin cause we bad than we me.
Let me show you where he's at. He's right on the corner of Martins and Nostrand. Right here by this this meat market. Smells so good, so I hope it tastes as good as it smells, child. We gonna see. So it was a little wait because you could pre-order, which next time I will be doing. But I didn't know that, so it was a little wait. It was like I was there for like 20 minutes waiting, but I'm like I'm gonna wait because it's the only thing I've been craving. So I said I'm gonna wait, and I've been wanting to try his. So it really tastes good because it smells good. He's like the best jerk chicken in Brooklyn. We gonna see, okay? We gonna see. It smells good. Look at this little piece of. No, this man did it. I'm gonna have a talk with him. Bread buck? Really? This? Like I said, I've been waiting for like 20 minutes, so I get it. Like he probably have no more bread, but sir, let me know. Don't give me this. Like the first slice of the bread, I will eat that, but the back part, unless I mean some porridge. Unless some porridge, I don't care. But not with my right. You know what? It's okay because I'm not gonna complain too much. I already did complain because he said he gave me extra. Yeah, I thought we put barbecue sauce only because yes, I'm Jamaican, but I don't do the spice. That's what I said. Yeah, it looks good. This is a small plate I got since it's the first time trying out. The small plate for $6 with the bread, and then I got my Jamaican cream soda. Yeah, probably a little tilted or whatever, but I came in here to say I'm gonna try the chicken. This is a nice piece right here. The flavors are definitely there. If it was warmer. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. I would say it was worth the 20 minutes. And yeah, he know what he's doing. I even asked him if his background was Caribbean or not. Probably. But that'd be crazy if it's not. That'd be crazy if his background is not, if he's like fully American. And so this is some good jerk chicken. See y'all in the next clip.
Several hours later.
Bobbiana. Bobbiana in the house. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. If you're new, my name is Fiddy. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today's Friday and I'm on my way to work. Yeah, OT time because my birthday's coming up. And yeah, I'm gonna go make me some OT. I really wish I didn't have to go in today, honestly, because our monthly friend that we have decides to show up today of all days. And I'm like, sis, who sent you? And who sent you over here so early? Like, who sent you? Why you come? Who sent you over here? Why are you here? I wasn't invited. I don't know why you're here, but I guess you could stay, whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to make a stop in Walgreens and get me some Aleve to keep me painless for the next 8 hours at work. Thank God I have no plans this weekend. Thank God I didn't make no plans. I'm staying my ass home, doing what I gotta do, and order myself for my birthday. But yeah, I don't have no plans. I'm glad because I went out last weekend, so I could stay home this weekend. And yeah, I'm gonna just prepare for my birthday and stuff because a lot going on, child. But I gotta see my energies off, so I'll see you guys another day when I'm not cramping. Deuces. So I got me a nice little acai bowl from this place. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got me a tropical bowl. It's so good. If you never tried an acai bowl, try it. And it has what's the thing called? It has granola inside and agave. I can't say the agave, but it is so good. Y'all gotta try this if y'all never had a acai bowl. Oh yeah, so they go to the granola. So they have granola at the top as a topping. They have it in the bottom too. Like, look at that. Yeah, this is the best acai bowl I ever had. Today is Saturday. What's today? Much better. I'm just leaving work. Today is April 13th. This is actually my grandfather's birthday. It literally just came to me that today's my grandfather's birthday. Monday is my nephew's birthday. The 17th is my mom's death anniversary, whatever you want to call it. So tomorrow's Mother's Day. I'm definitely not ready for that. Definitely not ready for that. I didn't want to, like, honestly, I wasn't even meant to come to work last night. I went to work at midnight and now it's like 12:30. So I did 12 hours. For the next 2 weeks, I only work 2 days per week. So I'm happy about that. But I'm still getting paid though because I just got PTO. But yeah, I still wanted to make a little extra this week since this week was my last full week. But I'm so tired and hot. So it's like 80 something degrees today. And yeah, but what I'm gonna do, I'm going home, take a shower, and I'm knocking out.
Keep me safe,
to get my mommy an ice cream cone too. She loves some peanuts, so I got ice cream with peanuts. And then it's our bouquet of roses right here. I got unboxing to do. I've been doing my unboxing videos in the same outfit, so if y'all see this top in a couple videos, mind your business. But yeah, alright, so this unboxing is I watch a lot of YouTubers, mainly Jamaican YouTubers that I see with this stuff though. With this specific product, and I always say I'm gonna buy one and see how it smells. So this is a perfume. When I say perfume, if you watch YouTube you should know where this is from. So oh my god, I have my first Dossier. It's a cute little box. It's so cute. I always see Jamaican YouTubers with this, and recently I've been seeing a few American YouTubers on there with it on their channel, but I found out about Dossier from Jamaican YouTubers, my Jamaican YouTubers that I watch. So I bought one. This is the Fruity Jasmine. So basically Dossier is a brand that sells like dupes, as in dupes I mean like cheaper version of luxury high-end perfumes. So this is Fruity Jasmine, and this, I forgot which one I got the dupe for. I forgot. I think it was YSL and stuff. I don't remember. So this is how the package comes. Yeah, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So yeah, it's designer quality on fragrances, but at a cheaper price. Oh, hello. It comes with this little note card, and on the back it tells you the name of the perfume and the notes and the dupe is for. This is how it looks. This is how it comes in the box. And this is the Fruity Jasmine. It's inspired by J'adore perfume. J'adore perfume. Am I saying it right? And so yeah, so the top notes are mandarin and green leaves, sweet pea. The middle notes, jasmine, lang lang, champaca, peach, and the base notes are sandalwood, plum, and musk. I know what sweet pea smells like. I know what jasmine smells like. I know what peach smells like, but everything else, oh yeah, musk. Yeah, so hopefully this smells good. I don't know what else on. And it comes in this little cute little bottle. This is a good amount. This is travel size. Yeah, this is travel size. And yeah, so this is perfect for my upcoming birthday trip because I'm going to take this with me. There's another reason why I bought it because I'm just like, I need a travel size perfume. And it's perfect for trips, weekend trips, whatever. It's magnetic. No spillage, no anything in your carry-on, suitcase, anything. Oh, yes. This smells. I don't know what the official the Dior perfume smells like, but this smells good. This one smells really good. Like it's really a lingering smell. I like that scent. I mean, I just sprayed it, but I like the scent. I'm definitely gonna get me a couple more of those. Definitely get y'all Dossier perfumes if you're not trying to spend the crazy money. Like I will still buy my luxury perfumes, but I just want to try this one and see what it smells like. But I will definitely put, I think this was $26 if I'm not mistaken, but I'll put it on the screen and I will definitely put it in the description below, so check the link. But yeah, this is like, why not? Why would you not want this? But yeah, that's it for my dust. I'm gonna get a couple more, and you know, just to have, like, get one for work. The prices range from like 26 to 49 if I'm not mistaken. They also have for men, so yeah, you can get it for your significant other, brother, father, whoever. But this one smells good. I like the scent. They have candles also. They have, what else they have? Yes, it's not only perfume they have candles, they have room diffusers, they have men perfume also. Oh, I have 3 in my cart. I don't even know. Sis got 3 her cards. Yeah, but that's it for my little unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.